Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with Chris Designs. Okay, so if you've signed up from the previous video, you should be learning to this kind of interface. Okay, and that's what I'll be talking about, right? Okay, so I am currently on the web app, desktop app. Let me quickly show you guys how you could get that. Okay, you just go to your browser and search for Figma, right? So you search for Figma, you scroll and you look for Figma downloads, right? And yeah, there's a desktop app for macOS, Windows, and the rest of them, right? Mobile app and phone installers, right? That's for that. Let's go back to our Figma interface. Okay, so this is our Figma user interface. Okay, and right over here, it's your profile, right? You can make profile changes, change your themes and the likes, right? Right here is your notification. If you get notifications, you can read them from there. Right here is the search. You can search for previous files, right? If you open Figma um newly, you won't see all these projects, right? These are my old project, right? You would see something like maybe Figma Basics, FigJam Basics, just those kind of guide, right? Yeah. So if you open a file, a new file, automatically it goes to your draft, right? For templates and tools, just mainly resources, Figma, right? Yeah. Your design team, you can collaborate with other team members, as I mentioned before, right? Okay, yeah. Drafts, yeah, what I mentioned earlier. Our drafts, right? And our project trash. These are just basically um things that you see while in uh the, the user interface, right? So just admin, you see people you shared your file with, right? So that's that. Okay. What next? Let's move to here. So to create a new design file, you just click here and you'd have a new design file created, of which, let's give it time to load, which you can rename the file, right? My first file or something, right? Let's go back and we have FigJam. Yeah, you can check that out, but basically focusing on Figma design file for now, right? Also the slides, just like your PowerPoint, just to create slides and present, right? And the Figma boss and also the import. Okay, that's that's about the Figma user interface.